Today we want to find the distance between planet and sun when the line connecting planet and sun is perpendicular to major axis in terms of aphelion and perihelion. The largest distance aphelion, shortest distance perihelion. We know that equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This one is a, this one is a, same major axis. This one is b, this one is b. This equation. But we know that focus of the ellipse is AE, 0, where E is eccentricity. So putting x equal to AE in this equation, we get a square upon a square plus y square by b square is 1. So y square equal to b square into 1 minus a square. But we know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus a square. It is in maths. So 1 minus a square is b square by a square. Substituting this 1 minus a square in this equation, we get y square equal to b square into b square by a square. So y square equal to b raised to 4 by a square. So taking square root, y is plus or minus b square by a. This point has y coordinate b square by a, this point has y coordinate minus b square by a. So this distance is b square by a. But this is the string loop from this to this. This one is R1, this one is R2. If we put this part here, R1 plus R2, we get 2a. R1 plus R2 is 2a. So a is R1 plus R2 by 2. So b square by a, R is b square by a, but a is R1 plus R2 by 2. So readjusting the term, 2 by R is R1 plus R2 by b square. Now R1 minus R2 is 2a. Because of focus S is a, 0, this focus is minus a, 0. The sun is at one of the focus. So this one is a, this one is also a. So R1 plus R2, R1 minus R2, this one, R1 minus R2 is 2a. R1 plus R2 is 2a. After cut out, we get 2R1 is 2a into 1 plus e. So R1 is a into 1 plus e. If we subtracting this result from this, we get 2R2 is 2a into 1 minus e. So R2 is a into 1 minus e. Taking product R1 R2 is a square into 1 minus b a square, but a square is 1 minus a square is b square. So b square is R1 R2. Substituting b square is R1 R2. 2 by R is equal to R1 plus R2 by R1 R2. So 2 by R is 1 by R2 plus 1 by R1. So if you subject R to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, which is the distance between planet and sun when the line connecting planet and sun is perpendicular to major axis.